So here's a Facebook ad. You're gonna find them in your mobile newsfeed. You're gonna find them in your desktop. Today, we're gonna go over Facebook ads, what makes Facebook ads powerful, and the number one thing that most Facebook ads have missing. And if you do this thing right, you're gonna have profitable Facebook ads, and you're gonna be able to make money advertising either your business or somebody else's business. So this is Tanner Chidester, whatever his name is here. Let's just go through the elements of an ad. When you create an ad, you got a bunch of things, okay? You have a campaign, an ad set, and then the ad. So what you're seeing right here is obviously only the ad, but he's created a campaign, which is essentially the objective. This guy right here is going for essentially sales. You can see his call to action, learn more. It's gonna go to his webinar registration page or his sales page or whatever, and it's gonna get you to sign up or register for something, or maybe it'll directly have me pay for something. In any case, he has a campaign. His objective is conversions, in other words, sales. Ad set is the targeting, okay? Who's it gonna be targeted in front of? Now, this ad's coming to me maybe because I've followed him before, maybe because I've engaged on one of his posts before, or maybe because he has run this ad in front of me because of an interest that Facebook thinks I'm interested in, okay? I have no idea what he actually does, so I guess we're gonna find out. So let's go ahead and dive into Facebook ads, what makes them successful, and in a little bit here, I'm going to give you the number one secret that you just need to have present so you actually make money from Facebook ads. Because if you're sitting here right now, as a matter of fact, let me know in the comments if you have like this negativity about Facebook ads because you don't think it's profitable. Let me know in the comments. Just be honest, because I get it. When you start spending money on advertising and you don't know everything that you need to know to successfully do it, or you don't know who to target, you don't know if you should have a picture or a video, you don't know how to write the copy, you don't know how to have a compelling call to action, you don't even know if it's being seen in the right light to the right person, it can be very easy to not make money with Facebook ads. So go ahead and let me know in the comments, okay? So we got Tanner here. Here's the elements of the ad, okay? He's going to run this ad from a Facebook page, okay? You have to have a Facebook page, you have to have an ad account. Once you have that, you can run ads. Now, Tanner's Facebook page is Tanner Chidester or Chidester, whatever his name is, okay? First thing is the copy. So this copy says, the game has never been that easy. You've been sold this idea by and then you have to click see more, okay? Now, depending on, I'm on mobile newsfeed obviously right now. If I'm not on mobile newsfeed, if I'm on desktop, it's gonna have a different version, a little bit different compatibility. I might see more or less of that copy. The reason you need to hook in the first part of the copy is because most people are too lazy to actually click continue and read. So you need to hook because you have to set micro commitments, right? Micro commitments. You wanna just get them to go to the next step. So what's the next step here? Hook me enough for me to actually wanna click continue reading. The game, this is a long form copy. You have long form copy, you have short form copy, okay? The game has never been that easy. You've been sold this idea by a few that have taken this to the masses. Nothing could be further from the truth. This is just hooking you, this is sales, this is sales, right? He's just grabbing the everyday, regular consumer that's gonna fall for this shit. Nothing could be further from the truth. I lost 50K on the first 5 coaches who told me that. Now people are like, whoa, right? Then of course it was my fault when the whole time the path was completely wrong. How do I know this? Well, I've passed every single one of those coaches I paid in revenue, plus collected 4 Comma Club awards from ClickFunnels along the way. Wasn't with the webinar, LOL. So he's bashing on people that are making money selling webinars. At first, I thought it was me and that the 12-hour days I was putting in, Olive Garden plus server plus my business work to get things off the ground wasn't good enough. But the problem wasn't me, it was all the mechanisms being used. Now don't go overboard. I'm not saying webinars are dead or some ultimatum. I still use them within my mechanism at proper times. Guy uses webinars all the time. He's not fooling anybody. The strategy I crafted and sell those prices to my highest level clients, but I want you to see what I'm all about first. So, for just $97, you'll get my method called Conversion Conversations with the exact scripts, methodology, and strategy that has exploded my business and life faster than anything I could ever imagine. This is good part of the copy. Please stop paying everyone to just show you a webinar funnel. It's not fancy and it's not going to work for 95% of you. I would beg to differ. It will if you know what you're doing, just like knowing what you're doing with Facebook ads. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. Obviously, there's the ethical standpoint when you're running Facebook ads. Do I do something that contradicts or bashes a certain industry to get myself ahead? Is it ethical? Is it not? So this is a good copy. He walked that line of, like, webinars don't work. Well, webinars do work, because when you're not in front of somebody, what's the best chance of selling them a high-ticket product? Developing a relationship with them. How do you develop a relationship with them in one area? You gotta talk to them. So unless you wanna talk 2 hours a day to millions of different people, webinars are the leverage. Okay, so good copy. This is a long form copy. Now he's got a video. I'm not gonna play the video and have you guys watch all the way through it, but it's compelling because there's transitions, because there's A-roll, there's B-roll, there's him talking directly to the camera, like right now, that's A-roll. This is B-roll, where it's showing the awards, him shaking hands with people, him talking to people. This positions him as if he actually is a big deal. He's being seen around people. He's got an 8-figure award from ClickFunnels. He's going on stage, he's coming off stage. The camera frame is changing a few different times. There he is right in the middle. Like, seems like he's a big deal guy and you should probably listen to him. So it's a compelling video. So you've got the copy, you've got the creative. Some people use pictures, some people use videos. And then right down here where it says all you need is a webinar, they said, LOL, that is his headline, okay? That's the headline part of an ad. That's the bold part. That's gonna be 25% off today only. OMG, this is so cute. OMG, tag a friend that needs this. The perfect webinar script, see more. Okay, the perfect webinar script, yours free. That's the headline, okay? And then he's got eliteCEOs.com. You're gonna click learn more, and then it's gonna go to his landing page or whatever it is that he has set up, okay? Conversation conversions. He's gonna have a little sales page. Yes, I want it. Copy, all that stuff. So that's what the elements of a Facebook ad look like, okay? You've got your copy, you have your creative, you have your headline, and then you have your call to action. Learn more, shop now, sign up, install app, etc. Okay? So we're gonna keep scrolling and we're gonna go to the next one and let's see if we can find something that's a little bit different. So here's Julius Dean or Dine. What's so cool about this is it's the shortest freaking video ever, but what sells it is, look, he's doing a magic trick and that's Post Malone. Done, right? So his copy, much shorter. Short form copy. Becoming a magician has never been easier. Learn 75 plus amazing tricks and blow people's minds. Bend metal, defy gravity, read minds, levitate objects, and so much more. And he's just got this video that can be more than 15 seconds long, but boom, you're sold because it's Post Malone and he's flipping a quarter over in Post's hand. And then you see Post's reaction. And that right there with him staring at the box, that's psychological, okay? In a second here, I'm gonna go over the #1 thing that most Facebook ads have missing. And if you implement this, you'll have profitable Facebook ads. People will be clicking through and you'll get infinite amounts of traffic. I'm gonna talk about that all in just a couple minutes here. In the meantime, if you loved what you learned so far, it's eye-opening. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, why would you actually wanna subscribe to my channel? Well, I'm done seeing people operate at a 5 or 6 figure per year level, okay? In the entrepreneur world, this is the world where there's no prerequisites. You don't have to have a degree. And 6 figures or 7 figures is mediocrity. You need to break outside of that. My goal is to elevate your mindsets. I put this out and I print this out on my schedule every single week. Here's my ultimate goal for every single one of you guys. I do this to teach the people of this world how to operate their lives and businesses at the highest frequencies known to mankind. This 5, 6 figure, basic 7 figure information is gonna keep you at the bottom. My channel is so you can learn how to brand, learn how to close, learn how to profit, learn how to run ads, and grow a multi-million-dollar digital brand and digital presence. Subscribe to the channel, all right? So he's got a short form copy. He's got a video that just does the selling because look, it's Post and it's magic and it's compelling. And he did a magic trick. Learn magic now is the headline. Watch more is his call to action. You're gonna click and you're gonna go to wherever that page is, okay? Now I'm gonna get out of that one. Scroll more. Start looking at the ads that you're getting, okay? This one's SMMA-like. I think this is, I have no idea what this is. Some sort of toothbrush thing. Wow, okay, that's different. Now, this is what's called an engagement ad. You notice how it's got 20,000 likes, 5,700 comments, 13,000 shares. This is not a conversion campaign. It's an engagement campaign. This type of ad is designed to get huge amounts of video views, likes, comments, shares, so that authority, hopefully, the perception of authority or virality hopefully sells this, okay? That's just another angle you can take. Short form copy, they have a bit.ly link up there. They've got a video with A-roll, B-roll. The best way to brush your teeth hands-free is the headline and then the shop now call to action. 11.1 million views. That's excellent. That's really good, okay? So those are just some examples of how people are running Facebook ads. What works for you is the biggest question. What is gonna work for you, okay? What's gonna work for you is this. If you're in e-commerce and you're selling a product, $30, $40, $50 product, videos tell stories and do the selling much better than a picture. You're gonna wanna do video. If you do digital products like myself, oftentimes, you are going to wanna make sure that you have a video because pictures only do the selling so much. Did you see that Tanner or whatever his name is that had the video up on stage, being given the award, all that stuff? That was a compelling video. When you know that your product's ultimately gonna lead to a $97 ticket, a $200, a $1,000 ticket, a $10,000 ticket, are you more likely to buy from a picture of somebody with a copy that says blah, 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 buy my shit? Or are you more likely to do business from somebody that's like, hey, making money online can be hard. I get it, I've been there, done that. And I don't have a college degree, and on paper, I'm not qualified to tell you what I'm about to tell you. But if you give me the next 59 seconds of your life, I promise what I'm about to say could and will be the financial turning point in your future if you choose to listen to what I have to say. Now, there's many different ways to make money online. What's the best way for you? The one that freaking works. So in this video, you're gonna discover what exactly it is that works for you. Now, what if I had a video like that? I hooked, I was compelling, I related. Look, I didn't go to college, I don't have a degree, I put some humor in there. On paper, I don't know a damn thing. But if you give me the next 59 seconds of your life, this information could and will be the financial turning point in your future. What's the best way to make money online? The way that works for you. In this video, we're gonna discover what it is that works for you. So I've hooked, I was compelling, and now they know what they're gonna learn in this video. Now I'm gonna go into the meat of it, my call to action. So if you wanna step up to the plate and start having those 5-figure, maybe those 6-figure months, I don't know what the number is for you, but I promise you I can help you get there. And if you wanna learn, just humor me a little bit and sign up for my free training, which is gonna teach you how to do XYZ in XYZ amount of time. Click the link and I'll see you inside. Okay? Video is gonna do much better selling there. So for a creative, you wanna have a video. Now, when it comes to the text, in other words, the caption there, you can play around with copy. So a lot of times what I'll actually do is I'll have a video, right? I'll have the same video each time, but when it comes to the text, I can alter the text, right? I can have text 1 in this one, I can have text 2, I can have text 3, and I can have text 4, right? And what that'll do for me is it'll allow me to split test against the same audience, which, if this is the only thing I'm changing, the text, then I'll know which one is resulting in the highest amount of traffic, okay? Now, when it comes to all of these parameters, you wanna isolate. So what I'll do is I'll do videos, same video, different text, okay? Find the winning text. Let's say that it is the 4th one. Okay, great. Now, I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna move on to thumbnail. I'm gonna create 3 different versions of this, different thumbnail on each one. Which one has the highest click-through rate? All right, now I got the winning thumbnail. Great. My thumb is winning. Now I'm gonna go on to the headline, all right? I'm gonna test 3 different headlines. Which headline, which thumbnail, which video is working? Okay, great. Now I got the winning ones of all of those. Great. Simple. It's simple. Okay, now what's the number one thing that Facebook ads that aren't making profit have missing? Hey, make sure you smash that like button if you love this video so far, because I'm gonna tell you something you're gonna love even more. It's gonna make all the difference in the world with your Facebook ads. What's the number one thing that's missing, okay? Let me know in the comments right now what you think the number one thing missing is for Facebook ads. What's the number one thing that most people have missing? Think about Facebook ads that have been run to you. Why didn't you click on them? Why weren't you interested in them? Why didn't you buy the product? Why didn't you stop and poke around for a little bit? Why not, okay? Now, outside of like the targeting, outside of somebody marketing a pen to you when you have zero interest in Red Expo pens, what would it be? It's the lack of emotion. It's the emotion, okay? Effective marketing has the ability to extract emotions and trigger thoughts inside consumers. Effective marketing has the ability to extract thoughts and trigger emotions inside consumers. Effective marketing has the ability to trigger thoughts and emotions inside consumers. If you do not trigger thoughts and emotions for your cause, people will not click. They will not go to your sales page. They will not opt into your funnels. They will not buy your products or services. Emotion, guys, you gotta have some freaking emotion. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.